Hey everyone, welcome to Age and Education channel. Today we shall look into the chapter Rocks and Minerals. Last time when we spoke about our planet the Earth, what we have mentioned, do you remember? We said that land is one of the main elements, right? So when land is one of the main elements, we should speak something about the land too, right? You thought that what ma'am has abruptly ended it. Suddenly she has stopped without mentioning anything about land. It's because anyways I'm speaking here about the land. Okay, so what does the land have? It has many rocks, it has many minerals, like every rock has so many minerals in it, right? So we'll speak about the rocks. What are rocks? Rocks are solid pieces of earth. You can find them everywhere on the ground, in your backyard, or at the beach. Rocks come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. They are found on Earth's surface, mountains, valleys, hills, and even in oceans. You can find rocks everywhere on the earth, right? So, what are the types of rocks? Hard rocks and soft rocks. What are they? Hard rocks are strong and difficult to break. These rocks are often used to build things like buildings and roads. So, where will you use hard rocks? To build some buildings and roads, you use hard rocks, and they are strong and difficult to break. That is the very reason you will use these hard rocks to construct the roads and buildings, because we want these to be strong, right? So if you want these to be strong, you should use hard rocks. There is no rocket science in it, right? So what are the examples? Granite. Where do we use this granite? It is used for countertops. And marble. Where do you use the marble? You use it for statues and monuments like Taj Mahal and Jaipur City Palace. All these are also built using marble. So hard rocks are so important for construction. Okay, maybe it house construction or roads or any buildings. Okay, next, soft rocks. What are they? Soft rocks are easier to scratch and break. They will easily break. These rocks can sometimes crumble if you rub them. So even if you press it tight, even then they crumble. If you rub them against something, you will get the powdery thing. Okay, the best example with which you can understand is chalk. When the chalks are used on the blackboards, right? So when you write, what happens? You will find all the powder falling down. So that is about the chalk. And then coal, limestone, all these are also some other examples of the soft rocks. Nice. What next? Water minerals. So what did I say? The land will have rocks, and rocks will in turn have what? Minerals. Okay, it's like the minerals will be of this tiny size, and when all these minerals get together, it is called as rock. Okay, there will be so many types of rocks on the earth, and you will learn more about it in the higher classes. For now, the difference of hard rocks and soft rocks is enough. Okay, so these rocks will be made up of minerals. So minerals are the tiny parts that make up rocks. They are like the ingredients in a cookie recipe. See, to make a cookie, what do you use? You use sugar and flour, right, to make cookies. So in the same manner, the minerals make up a rock. What are the common minerals that you can see in a rock? It will be quartz, calcite, and diamond, talc. All these are some sort of minerals. Okay, so when you say quartz, it's a hard, shiny mineral that can be clear and colorful. And how about the calcite? It's a softer mineral. See, this is a hard mineral. Okay, and this is a softer mineral, often found in soft rocks like limestone. And how about the diamond? It's the hardest known mineral. Okay, it's very strong. It's so hard. It's the hardest rather. It means that there is no other mineral that is harder than the diamond. Okay, how about the talc? It's the softest mineral. It means that there is no other mineral that is softer than the talc. So why rocks and minerals are important? Hard rocks are used to make buildings, roads, and even statues. Minerals are used in things like pencils and jewelry. Nice. Next, soil. Rocks break down over time to form soil, which plants need to grow, right? So for the plants, you need soil. We have mentioned about it, right? From the soil itself, all the minerals are absorbed by the plant and which are used for the plant to grow. Okay, so all these are like a big chain. Okay, now we are done with the chapter rocks and minerals. It's a very small chapter, right? But here what you have to remember is that there will be hard rocks and there will be soft rocks. Okay, and what are the examples of hard rocks and soft rocks, and what are the uses of hard rocks? Now tell me, what are the uses of hard rocks? Yes, they are used to construct a building or roads. And what are the examples of it? Granite, marble, these are hard rocks. So you can safely use it for construction purposes. And how about the soft rocks? These are soft rocks, right? So it is used for varied purposes. Something like, what are the examples of it? It will be like limestone, okay? The chalk we use, all these come under soft rocks, okay? And apart from that, we spoke about the minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are the tiny particles that make up a rock, okay? These tiny particles, it may be quartz, okay, and it may be even diamond, and maybe even how about the diamond? We said that this is the hardest mineral, right? And what is the softest mineral? Tell me. It's talc, right? Where do we use talc? Yes, yes, in the talcum powder. It means we use the powder, right, to apply it on your face, on your body. In that you can find talc, okay? These days people are trying to avoid this talc, okay, because of varied reasons that you will know later. But the softest mineral is talc. Okay, this is about the chapter rocks and minerals. Go through it again, and as I have mentioned, this is a very small chapter. Now you can happily enjoy. You are done with it. Okay, bye, see you.